Thanks for installing AirScout. In this video, I'm going to quickly walk you through how to install the app. So let's get started. So first of all, you're going to see this page. It's going to basically ask you to create this sheet, which we've linked right here, which will take you to the Airtable universe. If you're familiar with Airtable, there's these kind of shortcut bases that you can create to make kind of setup for new data really easy. And so we've done that, already created a base for you, which you can access through that. Then you need to click copy base. And create an account if you don't already have one. I'm assuming you have Airtable if you've installed this app, and so you just need to sign in. And so once you sign in, you just need to pick a workplace where you want to save this template, this base template. And once you do that, you're going to be finished with the first step. So you'll see that all of the columns are already pre-developed. This will make it a lot easier for you to get started. Now, the next step, once you click next, you need to edit the sheet name to make this the name of your store. So in this case, I'm just going with store name 1, but you want to make sure that you have that written exact name. So we'll type store name 1 right there. Now, the next step, the API key and the base key requires a few more steps, a few more extra clicks, but again, very simple. First thing you're going to do is if you haven't already done this, you're going to click the account tab at the top right of the screen, and you'll see an API section right there under your account overview. I've already enabled it, but you need to make sure that yours is also enabled and looks like this. If it doesn't look like this, you'll see a button that says kind of enable API, something like that. Just need to go click that. Once you've done that, click help, API documentation at the very bottom. On the left-hand column, you'll see the name of the sheet that you just created. So the store name 1 table. Scroll down, you'll see a create records tab. Click that. And so once you're here, this is where your API key and the base key will be written. So click this check mark, show API key. Click the JavaScript tab, and now you'll see the API key is right there, and the base key is right there. So just want to copy that exactly. Paste that, and then do the same thing with the base key. Go back, copy the base key, and just paste that. Once you've done that, you want to click verify. Once you've verified it, you'll see, hey, success message, great. Now, next thing you want to do is you want to maybe just click a send test. This will basically send you just a test record in your base. You'll see here now you see John Doe record was created. Once you've done that, you verified it, you want to click next. And here you'll basically see the alert filters configuration. Here you can basically edit the minimum filters you want AirScout to collect for you. So let's make this $200. So we only want to be alerted in Airtable for $200 and up. A repeat customer, we want to do at least 3 orders. For the VIP customers, at least $400 or whatever the currency you're using, so 400 of that currency. And last but not least here, we have tag product, which is a really cool feature where you can add tags that you want to be alerted on. So if you have a ring or a winter collection or tags created, if anybody buys that product, your Airtable will be will fill with that. Now, when you're done with that, click next. There's just going to be the standard Shopify trial, standard Shopify payment approval. You can just ignore this test charge thing. That's just because I'm making this video on our test store. But once you click free trial, you'll get a 7-day free trial, and just to see if this is actually a good fit for you or not. And once you've done that, you'll be taken to the AirScout homepage, and here you'll just see, we have a few documents here that will help you get started with more on the way. If you need any help with anything, don't hesitate to reach out. I'm happy to help wherever we can. If you don't want to use Airtable, you want to use some other kind of a tool to save your abandoned checkouts in or any of these high impact alerts in, just reach out, send me an email, and we'll set something up for you. Thanks, enjoy.